In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to improve ping in Roblox. So step one, you just have to go to Windows Firewall or Windows Defender Firewall. And what you're going to do here is to simply tap Advanced Settings. That is step one. And you see here we have inbound rules and outbound rules. For inbound rules, we can see your new rule and other options here. So before we proceed, let's go to step two. Step two, go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then kindly look for general connection problems. Kindly tap the first link here. Now, step three, what you're going to do once you're here is to simply scroll down till you find this. Make sure the appropriate ports are open. Let's just focus here. So you can read the following here, okay? And then once done, all you have to do is to simply go back. Step four, go back, go to inbound rules, and then click new rules. And as you can see here, we have here ports are open. So you have to look for ports. You have to tap this one and then click next. Step five, you have to see this, okay, UDP number. So what you're going to do is to simply copy that one, click UDP, and make sure that you tap this specific local ports and then tap next. And then step six, you just have to again copy this one, right click, and then copy. Now you can go back and simply paste it right here. So please do double check and make sure that there's no spaces here. Okay. And then after that, you can now click next. Now, step seven, you have to make sure that you click this allow the connection here. Tap this one, click next. Step eight, you have to make sure that the three boxes are all checked and then click next. And then here you have to write your file name. That is step nine. You can create file name here. And then after that, also add description if you want, and then tap finish. Now, step 10, you just have to do it all over again for outbound rules. As easy as that. Go back to that site again, and then you just have to copy everything there and paste it right here. As easy as that. Then you will see the result after. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.